videos we discussed what is the nth term of the AP and how to calculate the sum of the n terms of the AP. Is it clear? So now in today's class I am going to discuss the question. Here it is. The question was, here it is, insert 6 numbers between 3 and 24 such that the resulting sequence is an AP. It means here it is, we should insert the 6 numbers between 3 and 24. My dear students, please remember, in the previous class only I told you that the the numbers in the AP are always in this form: A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D, A plus 5D. The always in the AP, the numbers are always in this form that I discussed in the earlier classes. Clear? So here it is, what they told, my dear students, insert the 6 numbers between 3 and 24. Between 3 and 24 means here the first term will be, here it is 3, that is eighth term. And after that, here it is, how many terms we should insert? We should insert the 6 terms. Here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and next here it is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Clear? 6 numbers we should insert. Then the 7th, here it is, the after 6 inserting this one, the last term they given that 24. Am I clear? So what they told, my dear students, we should insert, there it is 6 numbers between 3 and 24. Between 3 and 24. It means here it is, the A value is equals to 3. And here it is 24 is, here it is 24 in this place, here it is, they given you the number, but what is the, if the number is not there, means what will be the element of this place? That is A plus 7D. Is it? So therefore we are inserting the, here it is, the between 3 and 24, how many numbers we should insert? 6 numbers. 6 are there or not? Let us check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 numbers are there. Clear? So by now they asked you what are these numbers, what is the value of this, that we should calculate. To calculate that, what we will do, my dear students, first of all we will write given information. Given, what is the given to you? A is equals to 3, and this last term, I mean 24, between 24, 3 and 24 we should write 6 numbers. So that value, take it as B is equals to 24. Clear? And now let the 6 numbers be. So take that, let the 6, here it is, let the 6 numbers, be like this form. What is that? A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D, A plus 5D, A plus 6D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the, let us assume this, these are the 6 numbers which we are inserting in between 3 and 24. And here they given you first term, A is equals to 3 and B is equals to 24. Clear? Now my dear students, what I'll do, here it is, the 24th term is nothing but 7th term. Here it is, sorry, not 7th term, here it is, this is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7th, 8th. It means the 24 value is nothing but, it is in this place, the element is, the number in the AP is A plus 7D. So therefore A plus 7D is equals to 24. That hint I am taking, my dear students. So let the 6 numbers be, these are the 6 numbers. Now here it is, they also given, here it is, also given, here it is, A plus 7D is equals to 24. So simplify this one, we will get the D value 7, here it is. This implies, what should I write here? It is, what is A here? A is nothing but the first term, they already given, that is 3 plus 7D is equals to 24. So simplify further here. So this is equals to 7D is equals to 24 plus 3, if I shift that side means that will become minus 3. So 7D is equals to 21, and here D is equals to 21 divided by 7. 7 ones are 7 threes are. So this implies D is equals to 3. So this is the common difference, that is nothing but D here. Clear? And now my dear students, these are the 6 numbers. We know the first term, we know the here it is common difference D, then easily we can write here it is. So therefore here it is, therefore, or else here it is the required, we can write here it is the required, here it is 6 numbers, the required 6 numbers are, here it is A, here it is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D, A plus 5D, A plus 6D. So here substitute the A and D value here. So what is the A value here? It is A value is 3, 3 plus D, D is 3 here it is, comma, here it is again A value is 3, 3 plus 2 into 3, D value is, next here it is 3 plus 3 into 3, D value, comma, next here it is 3 plus 4 into 3, comma, 3 plus 5 into 3, comma, here it is 3, A value is, here it is 3 plus 6 into 3. So further simplify this one, my dear students. So 3 plus 3 is, here it is 6, here it is 3 plus 2 3s are 6, 3 plus 3 3s are 9, 3 plus 4 3s are 12, 3 plus 15, 3 plus 18. So further simplify this one, my dear students. So here it is 6, comma 3 plus 6 is 9, and here it is 9, that is 12, and 15, here it is 18, and here it is 21. So these are the 6 numbers we can insert in between 3 and 24 so that the resulting sequence will be an AP. So after inserting these numbers, the resulting sequence means after inserting these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, these 6 numbers in between 3 and 24, say here it is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, and the last term is, here it is 24. So observe, my dear students, what they told, insert the 6 numbers, here it is, these are the 6 numbers, is it? So these are the 6 numbers we are inserting so that the resulting sequence will be AP. So after inserting these 6 numbers, the total sequence should be in the form of AP. Whether this is in the form of AP or not, let us check. The common difference 6 and 3 is 3, 9 and 6 is 3, 12 and 9 is 3, 15 and 12 is 3, 18 and 15 is 3, 21, 24 and 21 is 3. So therefore the resulting sequence after inserting the 6 numbers between 3 and 24 is in the form of AP. Am I clear? So like this you should solve. So this is very important, my dear students, very important question. For 3 marks usually they'll ask. So please practice this one. Clear? So here it is, please pause the video to note it down. Next we will discuss, my dear students, what is meant by geometric progression. Clear? So geometric progression means, the definition is, here it is, a sequence is said to be a geometric progression, or you can call it as GP, if the ratio of any term to its preceding term is same throughout. It means, what it indicates here, it is, it indicates, my dear students, first I will take one example, that is 2, 4, 8, 16 up to so on. So this is in the form of GP. Here it is example for the GP. Why it is GP means, here it is, if you take, what is the definition says, a sequence is said to be, it is a one sequence, a sequence is said to be a geometric progression if the ratio of any term to its preceding term, to its preceding means, here it is, if I consider one term 4, any term you can consider to preceding to this one. So if I consider, say for example 4, if I consider means the preceding term of the 4 is, preceding andre back side idakinta hinde irtakanta term. So 4 the preceding term is 2. So if you take the ratio, here it is, say for example E term 4, if you take the preceding term, the ratio if you take means that should be same throughout the sequence. 4 by 2 is equals to 2 ones are 2, 2, here it is. And next if I take 8, 8, the preceding term is 4, 4 ones are 4 twos are, here also 2. Like that, if I take here it is 16, the preceding term is 8, so 8 ones are 8 twos are. So therefore here the common ratio is 2, that is constant throughout the sequence. Then such a sequence we can call it as a geometric progression. A sequence is said to be geometric progression or GP if the ratio, means you should take the ratio here it is, ratio of any two, here it is, ratio of any term in the sequence, here it is, any term to its preceding term is same throughout. So throughout the sequence, if you take any two terms, then their ratio should be same. That is what we can call it as, that sequence we can call it as a geometric progression. And also my dear students, in the AP also we discussed here it is the same, here it is, but there we took the definition as any two consecutive term if you take, means the constant should be same. That we discussed in the AP. And also in the AP we discussed the nth term. So how to calculate the nth term? In the AP the nth term is the formula an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Likewise in the here it is geometric progression, the nth term of the GP, if you wanted to calculate any nth term of the GP, then we have the formula an is equals to a into r to the power n minus 1. This is the nth term of the GP. And now this whatever we have the common ratio, no, this common ratio we can call it as that is nothing but R. R means what, my distance? Whatever we discussed in the AP, we discussed the common difference as D. But in the case of geometric progression, the common difference or the common ratio, I can take it as R. So R means what here it is? R means that is nothing but the common ratio we can take. The common ratio, and A is nothing but, and here it is A is nothing but the first term of, here it is, common ratio R, and A is the first term of the GP. Clear? So this is the concept, here it is, and this is the example for the GP. You can call it as geometric progression or we can call it as geometric sequence. Here it is also we can call. Clear? So now let us take one example, my dear students. What is the example? Here it is 1 mark. Definitely they will ask in your annual examinations. Very important it is. What is that? Find the common ratio of the GP. Here they gave you one GP, here it is. You should calculate the common ratio. How to calculate the common ratio? Here it is. Common ratio, here it is, my dear students. Common ratio means you can take any two consecutive term and you should take the ratio of that one. Clear? So here it is common ratio. This term minus this term divided by this term. If I do, means I'll get the common ratio here. So 5 by 4 divided by 5 by 2. So calculate this one, my dear students. So this can be written as 5 by 4 numerator term as it is. In the denominator also we have the fraction 5 by 2. If I take this to the numerator, that will become reverse, that is into, that will become 2 by 5. Clear? So this 5 cancels. Here this 2 ones are 2 twos are. So therefore the common ratio R is equals to 1 by 2. This is what our required common ratio. Am I clear? So my dear students, there is no any condition that we should take the first two terms. You can take these two terms also, you can take, because being it is a GP, any two terms if you take, any two consecutive terms if you take, the common difference will be same throughout according to this definition. Clear? But please remember, for 1 mark they'll ask these type of questions, my dear students. Am I clear? I hope you understood. Still, if you have any doubts, you can comment me. I'll reply for that. We'll discuss some more questions, my dear students. The next question is, here it is, I'm going to discuss the next question. Here it is. The next question is here, find the 10th term. They asked to calculate, find the 10th term of GP. The numbers here given as 5, 25, 125 up to so on. So here what they asked, my dear students, they asked you to calculate the, here it is, find the 10th term, you should calculate the 10th term. So we know, here it is, we know that the formula is here, it is nth term. If I wanted to calculate, means we have the formula an is equals to a into r to the power n minus 1. So this is the formula we have, call this as equation 1. And now here in the given, here it is gp, the first term is, what is that one, 5, and the common ratio r, that can be calculated by taking the ratio of any two terms, consecutive terms. So that is 25 divided by 5, my dear students. 5 ones are 5 5s are. So therefore the 5 by 1, that is nothing but 5. Therefore the common ratio, r value is 5, a value is 5. Substitute all these values in the equation 1. So now 1 becomes the equation 1 becomes, substitute here it is, what you should calculate, we require to calculate the 10th term. A10 is equals to, the formula is here it is, a means 5 into r means 5 whole to the power n. You should calculate the 10th term. So therefore 5 to the power 10 minus 1. I hope you understood. Yes, next 5 into, my dear students, so this is 5 into 5 to the power 10 minus 1. So 5 into 5 to the power 9 it is, 10 minus 1 is 9. So therefore this is nothing but, here it is 5, here it is, nothing is there means 1. So here it is, base is same, 5 5 same, 9 and here it is 1. This can be further written as 5 to the power 1 plus 9. So that will gives you 5 to the power 10. So this is what your required answer, my dear students. Clear? So this is how I am writing. This I am writing due to this property, a to the power m into a to the power n is equals to a to the power m plus 1. So by this property I applied. So 5 to the power 10 is your required answer. Am I clear? So I hope you understood. Still, if you have any doubts, you can comment me. I'll reply for that. Please pause the video to note it down. Thank you.